highly talked subject today. I have been interacting with some of the CIOs in the recent past, and let me share in a very brief what three important pain points the IT organizations have been facing. Number one, the infrastructure is not properly utilized. Probably the infrastructure is procured for peak load, only 10% or 15% is utilized. That's a major problem. The second important problem is the application development platform, whether it is integration platform or the development tools, so on and so forth. Heavy investments needs to be done in terms of the licenses and annual maintenance cost, and also the speed in developing application is also taking a lot of time in setting up the environments. The third important problem is again the enterprise applications. Most of the customers today looking at like CRM applications or ERP applications. Again, it is a heavy cost involved in terms of the licenses or annual maintenance cost, and also how to make them up and running at a very faster pace is also a serious issue. So I think to summarize, these are all the major issues what CIO organizations have been facing. This is causing them not able to spend much time on innovation and providing business value, and dragged into most of their time into IT operations. So thanks to Oracle, Oracle Corporation has been investing considerably on a technology called cloud computing, where let me share again in the three areas what Oracle is doing. Number one, Oracle has Oracle VM, Oracle VM Server, so that the virtualization technology is integrated in Oracle offerings, so the infrastructures can be best utilized. That means Oracle can help in creating a lot of virtual machines from a physical machine. So it is not exaggeration, probably 10 physical servers can probably become a one physical server, but 10 virtual machines, so that you can effectively utilize the resources. The second is the development platform, middleware platform. Oracle has one of the best Oracle Fusion middleware, and that they made it available on some of the service providers platforms like Amazon.com, and they are going to open up for other probably service providers, which will help the organizations to use it at a very rapid speed to develop the applications without incurring much the license cost and annual maintenance cost. The third part is Oracle has again on-demand and SaaS applications like Siebel On-Demand and also the Oracle Behave, and they are also available from the Oracle data center, and also at customer data center Oracle also can offer it. In that way, again, the organizations, IT organizations need not spend too much time for licenses and the annual maintenance cost. They can just simply pay as you go. So the summary here is the technology is available, the products are available, and the metering, that means a pay as you go model, is also integrated. That's where I think the IT organizations can spend a lot of time for innovation and providing business value. Coming to Mahindra Satyam, we have been investing on Oracle Cloud Computing offerings. I am pretty happy to tell you that we have been basically working with some of the customers on these offerings, and I am pretty confident this will become one of the game changers for us in the coming months, and thank you.